Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm wearing mask right now. It's because we are going to unbox this. This is from my supplier and just came from GRS to get this. So we will be needing a knife and a scissor. Alright, flex ko lang po yung Nike ko andyan po, Nike Cortez. So let's do the unboxing right now. I'm very excited. This is Onitsuka. Excuse me. Let's take a pause. And please hit subscribe so that mag-reach tayo ng 1,000 subscribers. And I'm going to vlog every day, okay? I'm very excited. Hirap. Pawisan ako dito. Ta-da! Oh, I'm very excited to unbox my new shoes. And this is my new shoes. Hold on. This is ta-da! Onitsuka Tiger, and it's the Low Classic. Let me check if this is the one that I ordered. Huh? What Adidas? Oh, I don't know if it's original. Hopefully it is. There. I don't know if it's original. I don't know. I really don't know. What she says it's original. But I don't know. Let's check if this is original. Okay, it's yellow. Flex ko lang. Comment below if you think this is original or it's first class. Or class A. I don't know. And this is the box. I don't know. I doubt it. But she says it's original. Let me check. There. And comment down below. And this is my YouTube channel. And my reseller. I don't know how to edit it. Bye. Thank you.